Jiading Museum was founded in 1959. It is a comprehensive museum integrating collection, conservation, research, exhibition, and education. In June 2013, the new museum located in the center of Jiading district of Shanghai opened to the public free of charge. Its basic displays include the display of Jiading history, and the display of its collections of cultural relics. There are also the display of imperial examinations in Jiading Confucius Temple, the display of the famous diplomat in modern times Gu Weijun in Fawa Pagoda Park, the display of Hu Juwen's life, and the display of Jiading bamboo carvings in Jiading Bamboo Carving Museum. And they also have a hologram for history of Jiading. Jiading Confucian Temple was built in 1219, the 12th year of Jiading period of the Southern Song Dynasty, by Gao Yansun, the first magistrate of Jiading County. In 2013, it was announced as a major historical and cultural site protected at the national level. It is the most well-preserved Confucian temple in Shanghai. In 1993, Jiading's designated was changed from a county to a district of Shanghai. Jiading, servant hired to keep guard, run errands, etc. Commendable piece.